Hello and welcome to this video tutorial showing Teamsite 16.6 Local Edit feature. Local Edit or Edit with Desktop App feature allows website developers to use the editor of their choice to edit content on their local desktops. Without this feature, a site developer must manually download the file, edit it, and then upload the edited file back to Teamsite. This feature is exposed for all file types that are not natively edited in Teamsite, such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, MS Word, Excel, and so forth. Within Content Center Professional, navigate to the file you would like to edit. Select Edit with Desktop App. Teamsite will check if the browser plugin and the desktop client are installed. If the Content Server browser extension and/or OpenText Office Editor are not enabled or installed, the user will be presented with instructions on how to get and install the desktop client and browser plugin. Click the button to download the needed software from Teamsite to your computer and follow the installation steps. Make sure to enable Content Server Browser Web Extension. Navigate back to the file you would like to edit and select Edit with Desktop App. This will lock the file, preventing others from changing the file while you are editing it. The desktop local client will rely on the file association set at the OS level when opening the file for edits. Different file types will open in their associated editors. If no association is set for a given file type, the OS will present a list of applications from which to select. Choose the desired application to edit the file. The file will be opened with the selected application. When the user finishes editing and closes the file, the desktop client will be notified via callback and will call Teamsite APIs to re-upload the file to its original location. Some text file can still be edited with CC Pro built-in editor. As you can see, Teamsite 16.6 enables the user to log and download a file, edit the file using a local editor, and then upload the file back to Teamsite, all in one simple, seamless step.